Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, today we're going to open up an engine. Honda engine 2.4, came from CRV. Not sure exactly the year, mileage, if I'm not mistaken, 160 I was told. It failed, so the engine, instead of repairing the engine, they replaced it because it was cheaper and quicker. First, what you want to notice, see all the buildup on the inside? Lack of maintenance. All this discoloration, that means it's a lack of maintenance. Oil was not changed as often as it should be. You know, there is the saying, pay me now or pay me later. Sometimes people choose to pay later. Oil is cheaper, engine replacement is expensive. So either you replace the oil more often or you replace the engines more often, so your choice. So that's what it is. Failed engine, you can see a lot of wear on it too. Sure, camera can pick it up, but you can see it's actually worn out pretty good. It's expected from lack of maintenance. So now we're gonna remove head bolts. Oh yeah, we got the head off. So as you can see, oil in this cylinder. So why is there oil there? Why this cylinder has a bunch of oil? So not sure, I can't really tell what really happened and why it happened. I can see the coating on some spots missing, but I don't see a reason why this might be a head gasket issue. But then, why there isn't oil here? There's oil here, there's oil there, something. This one is wet too. This one is wet, same thing, there's some oil there. Very, very interesting. Maybe head gasket failed and it got hydrolocked.